It's okay. It's okay, girlfriend. I'll still be here.
Right in underneath my song.
Come on, Makers, here we go, baby. We should play a 30-second song a little longer, don't you think? And since I really don't care for Indiana University, I'd love it if we raised our middle finger towards Bloomington, Indiana, which is, I don't really know which way it is, so, yeah. And then at the end of every phrase, let's say, screw IU! Wait a minute, I heard a different word other than screw over here on the party side. What's another word we can substitute? Anastasia? Brilliant! Starts with F, rhymes with duck. Substitute the word. There you go. The doctor went to Ball State. I think he's a converted Boilermaker. What'd you say now?
I've actually spent 3 years more here than I did at Ball State.